Yeah, alright guys, so today we are going to fix a Buffalo Visor on my MT-15. So I'm going to do it by myself because the mechanic here is kind of easy. So yes, we're doing it by myself. I just didn't have the instruments and I've watched the YouTube. So yeah, I think I can make it. Let's begin.
Alright guys, so I finally got my hands on the MT-15 Buffalo Mask Visor and I ordered it from Amazon. So it costed me about 4k in Niltrums, and trust me, when it arrived at Shamgang, I was really hyped up and I wanted to try it so bad. And yes, if any of you want to grab one too, hit me up, I will help you to get yours. Anyway, the fun part starts installing it myself. The mechanic was tied up, so I thought why not fix it myself. So I dived into a few YouTube tutorials and yes, I continued to fix it myself. And then in between I had to again revisit the tutorials because yeah, it wasn't easy. But yes, anything for my bike. Anyway, a quick note, the visor is made entirely of plastic, so in case of a crash, it might not survive. Finger crossed that never happens to me or to anyone. After wrestling with the fitting for a while, I realized I couldn't tighten the mirrors properly. Thankfully, one of the brothers nearby lent me a hand and finally, boom, it was done. And here is it, all fixed up and looking beastly. I'm absolutely loving the vibe it gives my ride. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Does it look killer or what? Anyway, if you have made it this far in the video, consider liking the video and subscribe to my channel for future updates.